Welcome to Adaptivids. In today's video, we're diving into the world of computer networking. We'll explore what networking is, how it works, and break down the different types of networks, like local area network, wide area network, and more, so you can understand how devices connect and communicate across the globe. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your tech knowledge, this is the perfect place to start. Let's get connected and jump right in. Computer networking. A network is a system that connects two or more computers and devices to share data, resources, and communicate with each other. Networks can range from small personal setups, like home Wi-Fi, to vast global systems like the Internet, enabling efficient data exchange, resource sharing, printers, files, and collaboration between connected devices. Key components of a network include routers, switches, and protocols that guide how data is transmitted. Types of computer networks. Computer networks can be categorized based on their size, geographical scope, and purpose. Here are the most common types. Number 1, personal area network. A personal area network is the smallest and most basic type of network, typically used to connect devices within the range of an individual. Personal devices like smartphones, tablets, laptops, and wearable devices, smartwatches, are commonly connected to networks. Mostly wireless technologies like Bluetooth, infrared, and sometimes USB for wired connections. Transferring files between a phone and a computer via Bluetooth and connecting wireless headphones to a mobile device are common uses. A personal area network has typically within a few meters range, usually 10 meters or less. It is easy to set up, highly portable, and ideal for personal use. Personal area network has limited range and connection capabilities, not suitable for larger networks. Number 2, local area network. A local area network is a network that connects devices within a limited area, like a home, school, office building, or campus. Computers, printers, servers, routers, and other shared resources like scanners are connected devices. Can be connected with wired, Ethernet cables, or wireless, Wi-Fi. Sharing printers, files, and applications between computers in an office are common uses. Gaming networks where multiple players connect to play multiplayer video games. A local area network has limited range to a single building or a small campus, usually under a kilometer. It has high-speed data transfer within a confined area and relatively inexpensive to set up and maintain. It has limited geographic reach, meaning that multiple local area networks must be connected, for example, through the Internet, to communicate over larger distances. Number 3, metropolitan area network. A metropolitan area network connects multiple local area networks in a larger geographic area, such as a city or large campus. Devices are connected across multiple buildings or campuses using routers, switches, and communication links like fiber optic cables and WiMAX. It is generally connected using fiber optics or microwave transmissions, offering higher speeds than standard local area networks. It is used for citywide networks connecting government offices, businesses, and educational institutions. Public Wi-Fi networks provided by municipalities. It typically covers a city or a large region, 10 to 50 kilometers. It facilitates high-speed connections between buildings that are physically apart and can provide Internet access to users across a city. It is more complex to maintain than local area networks and can be costly to deploy over large areas. Number 4, wide area network. A wide area network is a network that connects devices across long distances, often spanning cities, countries, or even continents. Wide area networks, metropolitan area networks, routers, and gateways are connected across various geographic locations. It uses long-distance communication technologies such as satellite links, leased telephone lines, fiber optics, or the Internet. The Internet is the largest wide-area networks, connecting billions of devices worldwide. A company's headquarters connecting with branch offices across different countries. It can span thousands of kilometers, connecting global regions. It allows long-distance communication and resource sharing and supports global business operations and international organizations. It has slower data transmission speeds compared to local area networks due to longer distances, and higher setup and maintenance costs are a disadvantage. Number 5, wireless local area network. A wireless local area network is a type of local area network where devices connect wirelessly using radio waves to communicate rather than physical cables. Laptops, smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, printers, and other devices that support wireless networking. Wi-Fi, which follows the IEEE 802.11 standards. Home Wi-Fi networks for Internet access and device sharing. Public Wi-Fi hotspots in cafes, libraries, airports, and hotels are commonly uses. It has typically within a building or specific area, usually 50 to 100 meters, but it can be extended using range extenders. It has two advantages: easy setup with no need for physical wiring, and mobility with access from anywhere within the network's range. Prone to interference from other wireless signals or physical barriers, for example walls, and less secure than wired networks unless strong encryption methods like WPA2, WPA3 are used. These are the disadvantages of wireless local area network. Number 6. Campus area network. A campus area network is a larger version of a local area network, connecting multiple buildings within a limited area like a university campus or a business complex. Computers, servers, and other devices in different buildings of the same organization or institution are connected to the network. It typically uses high-speed fiber optics or Ethernet cables. It connects all departments, dormitories, and libraries within a university. A company connecting various offices or departments in a business park. It is usually confined to a single campus or industrial complex, about 1 to 5 kilometers. This network offers fast connections within a confined geographic area and centralized management of shared resources, file servers, internet access. This network requires more infrastructure and management than a simple local area network. Number 7. Virtual private network. A virtual private network is a secure connection over an existing public network, like the internet, that allows for encrypted communication between devices. Remote computers, servers, or users accessing a private network through the internet. Virtual private network software creates a secure, encrypted tunnel for data transmission over the internet. Employees working remotely can securely access company resources as if they were connected to the office's internal network. Consumers use virtual private networks to secure their internet traffic and maintain privacy online. Global, as virtual private networks use the internet to establish secure connections. This network provides secure, encrypted communication over an untrusted network like the internet and allows remote access to internal network resources securely. It may reduce connection speed due to encryption overhead and require technical setup and management. Number 8. Storage area network. A storage area network is a specialized high-speed network that provides access to consolidated block-level data storage. Storage devices like hard drives, tape libraries, and storage servers are connected to this network. It typically uses fiber optics for high-speed data transfers. This network used in data centers to provide fast, reliable access to large volumes of data for servers, common in cloud computing environments for centralized storage management. It is typically confined to data centers or high-performance computing environments. It provides very high-speed access to storage resources and centralized storage management with efficient data backup and recovery capabilities. It is expensive and complex to implement and manage and requires specialized hardware and expertise. Number 9. Enterprise private network. An enterprise private network is a private network created by a company to connect its multiple locations or branch offices securely. Local area networks, routers, switches, and gateways across different business locations. Uses leased lines, MPLS, multi-protocol label switching, or virtual private networks for interbranch communication. It is used by large organizations to connect multiple branch offices for secure communication and resource sharing. It can span cities, countries, or even globally. It has secure and reliable communication between different branches and centralized management of company resources. It is expensive to maintain and manage and requires dedicated information technology staff for setup and monitoring. Number 10. Home area network. A home area network is a small-scale network used within a home to connect smart appliances, computers, smartphones, and other personal devices, laptops, smart TVs, home security systems, gaming consoles, and other smart home devices connected to the network. It is typically connected by Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet. It is used for enabling smart home automation, for example, controlling lights, thermostats, and security systems remotely, and sharing internet access among multiple devices within the home. It is usually confined to a single household, within 50 to 100 meters. It is easy to set up and manage, and allows seamless integration of smart home devices. It has limited range and scalability, requires strong security measures to prevent unauthorized access. These different types of networks serve varying purposes, from small personal area networks to wide area networks, and each has its strengths and challenges depending on the scope of the application. Thanks for tuning in to Adaptivids. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert tips and tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay secure, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.